In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Excel document or create an Excel sheet in Miro. So you want to go ahead and look on the left hand side and find the tools, media and integrations. Click on that. And here you just want to simple type in Excel. And you will see that you have Microsoft Excel here as well, and you have just a table as well. So you can, for example, click on this and you can basically generate whatever. So let's say I want to create a table for a goal tracker or project tracker. Let's use this one. Click on that, then click on send, and the AI will just generate that for you. And it's going to create a really nice table that you can even save as a template or whatever it is, fill out later on as you wish. So let's just give it a moment to generate. As you can see, it's already done in a few seconds, a few clicks. Then just simply click and add to canvas at the top here. You can see right here, you can even stretch it out. In case you want to make it bigger, you can always jump to the focus mode so that you can see it fully. And yeah, everything is just fully customizable. You can change whatever you want and so forth. So you can click on that and you can change it and so forth, right? Now, as I mentioned before, you can even export this or save this as a template. And to do that, just simply click the three dots at the top here and you're going to have more options. If you scroll down, you will see save as a template as well. And you can save that as a template and use it later. And so the Excel is also in the option as I showed you. I'm going to go down, just click somewhere else, click on add again. And if we type in Excel, for example, you have Microsoft Excel. This is going to allow you to even use Excel or even embed whatever you have in Excel as well. And as you can see, it says collaborate with external data, document, and design on Miro. But of course, you have to have the upgraded version. So you need to upgrade to be able to use this. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.